1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9。1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9. Onyomi is shoe. Kunyomi is aki. Aki. Aki is autumn. Aki. Autumn. We have seen this kanji. Fire. Ka. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go. Onyomi is doi. Kunyomi is fuyu. Fuyu. Fuyu is winter. Fuyu, winter. Fuyu Yasumi. Fuyu Yasumi is winter holidays. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku. Onyomi is ki. Spirit, mind, air, atmosphere. Kimochi. Kimochi is feeling. Kimochi, feeling. Tenki. Tenki is weather. Kibun. Kibun is mood, state of mind. And we have seen this kanji in fun or bun, minute. Byoki. Byoki, sickness. Byoki, sickness. Ichi, ni, san, shi. Ichi, ni, san, shi. Onyomi is 10. Kunyomi is ame. Ama. It is weather. Tenki, weather. Tenki, weather. Amanogawa. Amanogawa is the Milky Way. We have seen this kanji. This is kanji of Kuni, country. Tengoku. Tengoku, heaven, paradise. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku. Onyomi is ta. Kunyomi is oi. Oi. Oi is many, much. Oi is many, much. Tasho. Tasho is more or less. More or less. Ichi. Sorry. Ichi, ni, san. This kanji of chisai. Chisai means small. If we add this, then it becomes kanji of sukoshi. Ichi, ni, san, shi. Ichi, ni, san, shi. Onyomi, ichu. Sho. Sukunai, sukoshi is few, little. Sukunai, few, little. Sukoshi, a little, few. Shonen. Shonen is a boy. We have seen this kanji. This is kanji of toshi. Toshi means year. Here it is used as nen. Shonen is a boy. Shoujo is a girl. This is kanji of onna, woman, girl. So here it is used as jo. Shoujo, a girl. Ichi, ni, san, shi. Ichi, ni, san, shi. Onyomi is gen, gan. Kunyomi is moto. Moto. Moto is origin, source, base. Genki. Genki is healthy, fine, which is an adjective. Ganjitsu. Ganjitsu is New Year's Day. This is kanji of Nichi, he, Ganjutsu. We are referring it as a day. So we have used this kanji of Nichi or he. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi. Onyomi is ho, bo. Kunyomi is aruku. Aruku is to walk. Aruku, to walk. Shinposuru. Shinposuru is to progress. Hodo, hodo, pavement. Ho, ko, sha. Ho, ko, sha, pedestrian. This is kanji of iku, used as go here. Iku is to go. Let's practice the kanjis we have learned so far in lesson 12. Fuyu Yasumi. Fuyu Yasumi. Ninki. This is kanji of hito. Jin, nin, nin, ki. Popularity. Ninki. Popularity. Ki. Bun. Bun is actually minute. Ki bun. Here it is used as feeling, mood. Tenki. Tenki is weather. Tenki. Amanogawa is Milky Way. Amanogawa. Tengoku. This is kanji of kuni, country. Tengoku, paradise. Tasho, a little. Tasho, a little. Tasho is more or less. Tasho is more or less. This is kanji of more. This is kanji of less. Shonen. Shonen is a boy. Shonen is a boy. This is kanji of toshi, year. It is exceptionally used here. Shonen is a boy. Shoujo. This is kanji of onna, woman, girl. Shoujo, girl. Genki. Genki is fine, active, healthy. Ganjutsu. Ganjutsu. This is kanji of he, be, New Year's Day.